Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and I'm just going to share a Clan Wars replay of a great comeback. So let's speed this up. So in my first match, I'm using Mega Knight Wall Breakers with the Archer King, the Prince, and the Miner. Too bad he has Ice Wizard, guys. That would have been so much damage for the bots. I have a hard time with the opponent in this first game. The problem is he has lightning and he only showed it near the end of the game, so I was surprised. So he just saved the lightning till the perfect timing in the end. He keeps spamming me, so I just use the Mega Knight Evolution. I'm doing well at the start. Maybe I should have used my ability there. I have the problem with the Skeleton King ability. He was able to do some damage on my tower. So we are now almost at the same tower health. This is where everything starts crumbling. I used the Wall Breakers evolution to burst his mortar. Again, he's not using the lightning. I don't know why. So this is where he used the lightning. So at first I was very not worried about the tower damage because I know that he doesn't have a heavy spell, but since he has shown lightning, I have no choice but to pressure him because look at that. I cannot damage him anymore and he has direct damage to my tower, so I lost. So next, of course, we're gonna use another deck so that we can come back in this Clan Wars because I wanna be the comeback king. So I started off with the Royal Ghost and I went Mini P.E.K.K.A on the back. And once I saw Royal Ghost and P.E.K.K.A, I already knew he has Bridge Spam. But he has the Vine spell here. And I'm using my favorite Golem deck. I saw the Vine, so now I know that my minions won't have any value. Nice Mini P.E.K.K.A for cleaning up the barbarians. Use the bandit and it has 1 health, so I have to do some more damage so that it doesn't dash on my tower. EVs from the opponent, I still get no damage from the troops, from my troops, and it doesn't have damage on my towers as well. I'm gonna use the Lumberjack, of course, to defend the ghost. I have to be careful of the Magic Archer lineups. I really hate losing to a good Magic Archer connection. So once I saw the bandit, I have to use the Mini P.E.K.K.A. And I have to use the Baby Dragon though. Too bad. I have to use the Baby Dragon because that bandit was gonna do damage. Once I saw P.E.K.K.A, I made a gamble to pump. Because I know I'm not gonna break through. And I know he has binds, so I immediately barbarally take out the Magic Archer. And now, yes, the Battle Revolution. Too bad he's gonna push my troops. I need to place my Lumberjack to back up my mini P.E.K.K.A, or else I'm gonna get so much damage on my towers. Of course, he's gonna use P.E.K.K.A, and I have no choice but to use another pump. I believe I Barbara here. Minions to bait his vines, and I use the vines and the Magic Archer and the Eris. Too bad it didn't kill the Magic Archer, so I use another Barbarel. I didn't place the mini P.E.K.K.A lower. See, I'm already at 563 health and my opponent is still at 4000 HP on tower. So with the pump advantage, I have no choice but to go all in now. I use the Golem in the middle, defend the battle ramp. I have 2 vines, or else I'm gonna lose. He vines himself. That was a wasted vines. So now I am sure that I'm gonna win here, because I have an Evo Lumberjack. Even though he P.E.K.K.A, she's gonna get melted. So I do the thumbs up. He poisons, but that's not gonna be enough. So that's an all one. And now for the final deck. So he already has lightning and poison and arrows. And good thing I used P.E.K.K.A Hug in this third game, because he has the Boss Bandit. And as you all know, the Boss Bandit is pretty annoying without heavy hitters. I have no choice but to take the damage from the Dark Goblin because I have no elixir. Fast Snowball. See, I'm already at a disadvantage, guys. For only 40 seconds and I'm already at 200 health. So things are not looking good, but never fear, I'm the comeback king. Self-proclaimed comeback king. So we're getting some Mother Witch value, and I tried to defend, got a Spear Goblin hit. Yes, still have to respond to the ghost, to the Ice Spirit, and another ghost connection. I use my Eris to prevent some damage. Yeah, Hyper Bait is very annoying to deal with. The good thing is I have Snowball and Poison. But I don't think I'm not using Poison enough here in this match. I Snowball the Spear Goblins. Yeah. I think I should have saved some skeletons for the Mother Witch. That would have been so much value. But I don't want to take any more damage on my towers because I'm only at 1172 health. Here, I think I P.E.K.K.A. Yeah. I P.E.K.K.A because if I Ghost, I'm gonna get some hits on my tower. If I Bandit, it's just gonna go in front. So now I Poison value right there. So I saved the Snowball for the Skeleton Barrel. And my Hog Rider went straight to the tower, so it's time for an all-out attack, guys. The Bandit dashing to the Dark Goblin. Very beautiful. Mother Witch for the Skeleton Barrel. Now, I didn't wait because I know that I'm going to 3-count this guy. I don't want to take any more unnecessary damage to my tower. Sorry, guys. And I BM. Sorry, guys. Another good comeback victory by the comeback king, Arkniel Gaming. So for more Clash Royale content, Clash Royale streams, please follow my page. Like and share my video. Hope you enjoy. Learn something from my video. Keep on supporting Arknight Gaming on FB, TikTok, and YT. So you can see my daily live stream on TikTok every day. Daily live stream on TikTok every day. How redundant. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.